The Chimeran threat began in Russia. The origin of the virus is unknown, but its effects were devastating and swift. In the 1930s, reports of biological experiments began neutralizing Russia. We feared the Russians had developed a weapon of unparalleled power. The truth was far worse.